What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today in the shop, actually outside the shop, we are having a problem with the window going down on a Chevy Silverado 3500s, and we're going to investigate the window switch. Now, two tools that you're going to need is a 7mm and possibly a trim tool. Sometimes you need this, sometimes you don't. It's pretty easy to get to that power window switch and get it out of there so that you can evaluate it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, we have our driver's door open. You want to locate your power window switch panel here, which is right there. And you're going to see this piece of trim underneath. And basically what you need to do is just put your hands on here and kind of grip underneath of it. And you're going to, sometimes you need your trim tool, sometimes you don't, but yeah, it just pries up just like that, okay? And underneath of it, you're going to see a 7mm right here. And you're going to see one right here. And down the end, you're going to have another one on the top. We're not doing these ones in the white. We're only doing the 7mm that are up here in this black bracket here. Once you have those three out, you're going to see this little, plastic dowel sticking out of there. You want to pull your trim past that. So I'm gonna pull it towards you like that to get it up off of there. And then you can kind of just raise your panel just like that. And now it's out and you're able to get to all of your wires, disconnect there, do your diagnosing, whatever you need to do. And that's basically it, guys. Really simple, like I said. So please hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments. I will see you next time.